Wanna know how to add templates to your page in WordPress? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up WordPress.com and make sure you are under your WP admin. Now, once you've done all of that, just simply hit what page is right here and select or open the page you want to edit. Now, once you're under page editor, just simply select edit right here, and then the page editor should open up and should look something like this right here. So only text. Now, since you want to add templates, you can just simply select this plus icon on the top left side. So simply select it, and here your blog inserter should load up. Now we can just simply type in templates. So once you have typed in templates, your templates should load up. You can simply type in template, and right here you can see template part, footer, columns, and much more templates you can see. Now if you scroll down, you can see more templates like blog pages, aligned pages, posts, and so on. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.